Hello guys! Today I've got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how to set the device type of your earbuds in your Android phone. As you can see here, we've got Samsung phone, so this process is kind of different. Going to that device is kind of different because on your normal phone, normally on your phone, probably you would go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and it will be there. Here in the Samsung devices, and only Samsung devices, of course, we need to go to the settings, then connections, and here Bluetooth. Now tap this gear icon near your device, and as you can see here, I've got at the bottom audio device type. Tap it, and here I've got headphones, speaker, or others. If you've got set others, of course select speaker. Headphones. Here we've got use volume monitor to protect your hearing while using headphones. That's it. Goodbye.